Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into some fantastic tips that can help you shed those extra pounds quickly. Tip number 1. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated can help boost your metabolism and make you feel full, reducing the temptation to overeat. This simple act can help you keep your calorie consumption in check and contribute to weight loss. Tip number 2. Cut back on sugary drinks and opt for water, herbal tea, or black coffee instead. Sugary beverages can add unnecessary calories to your diet and stall your weight loss progress. By choosing healthier options, you're helping yourself reach your goals faster. Tip number 3. Incorporate more physical activity into your daily routine. Even if you can't make it to the gym every day, simple activities like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a brisk walk during lunch hour can make a difference. Burning more calories through activity will only aid in your weight loss journey. Remember, weight loss is a process that takes time and dedication. But with these tips, you'll be on the right track to reach your goals. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful and want more health and fitness advice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay healthy and fit.